Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And my video that a few days ago talked about how Google is telling many companies that do extensions, especially the one that a lot of users are using, which is ublock Origin, which is an ad blocker that they would eventually be unable to run as they don't actually move on to the manifest v3 level that Google wants to push. Well, Google is now putting that into action. If you were using ublock Origin or any extension that were on manifest v2 and that do not actually work with manifest v3, have not reached the compatibility that Google wants, you're now actually being warned when you use your browser, your Google Chrome browser, that the extensions have been disabled. Which means a lot of you are probably seeing ublock Origin disabled message now, and this is going to continue. It's a kind of a little war because ublock Origin and many of the companies and the users, the programmers behind some of these extensions are kind of a little war saying, well, no, that's not fair, and the way that it's actually you're asking us to do things isn't right. Who will win in the end? This is going to be interesting. I think if there is going to be a winner, what's going to happen is that there's going to be maybe, and that's I'm just guessing here, if that makes Google Chrome start losing market share enough, because users of ad blockers will move to another browser. Could they change their minds? I don't know. But one thing for sure is that also Google at the same time is at war with ad blockers, because it is, after all, their model. And, a lot of people rely on that, including me, with the monetization of the channel. So we'll see what happens. It will be very interesting to see if there's any visual of a lower market share with the next browser market share that we could look at when we come into November and December. Will there be a move to Firefox maybe? I don't know. It's going to be interesting. That's for sure. Now, one thing to understand also is that the manifest v3 is something that is also in Chromium, which means that most Chromium browsers will follow this trend and will also have extensions will have to follow the new manifest v3 in order to work. So there are a few exceptions. There's Brave. Brave has its own way of doing security and ad blocks, so it might not be a problem for Brave. But, the only other thing will be to go to Firefox. We'll see what happens next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.